Okay, so on a 2012 Hyundai Accent, if you're looking for the knock sensor, I know I got the car way up in there because I've got a lift, but if you look underneath it, you'll see the transmission setting right here, and then the engine right here, and you'll have this little cover. Now, I'm not sure if there's any covers missing, but I don't see any others on this one. Hey, comment below and let me know if yours has more splash shields on it. Now, you could remove these two plastic covers right here and unbolt them from the car to get better access, but if you look right up in here, you see the oil filter, and then right above the oil filter that's mounted to the intake, you can see the knock sensor wire, which is sitting right there. Now if you follow that wire under and go right above the oil filter, you can see the block right there, and just follow it up, and right there is a knock sensor. Got my little panel pliers I'm going to stick up in here, pull that clip out just like that. You come up right here and squeeze the clip and kind of slide that connector off just like that. Wiggle on the connector enough to get it off the bracket. Okay, so you'll want to get a 12mm socket. Just go right up through here, right by your oil filter, and reach up and put your 12mm socket on there, and then just break the bolt loose and undo it. I know it's kind of hard to see with the camera. So once you get that one out, you just take the old one, compare it to the new one, make sure that they look the same, and just reverse process to get it back in. Go right up through there and put it back on. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Right there is where it's bolted to. Now you want to torque it down, and getting the torque wrench was pretty tricky to get up in here. Not sure if you can see, but I'm right by the oil pressure sensor. But I was able to get the 1/4 inch torque wrench on there like that, and I was able to torque it over. Not sure if you can hear it or not, but I was able to torque it down. Once it's torqued down, you want to take your connector and just slide it up over the bracket that you took the old one off from. Slide it up and over, push it down, then take the push pin on the opposite side right here where the mount was and push it into the little hole. Okay, so once you get that done, then take your electrical connector and connect the connection back. Just go until you hear it click, and that's pretty much how you change your knock sensor on your Hyundai Accent. Now, I've seen some conflicting information on the internet about what you torque the knock sensor down. According to some things I've seen, they say to torque it down to 140 inch-pounds, which is basically 15.8 Newton meters or so. My snap-on scanner actually says to torque it down 18.6 to 23.5 Newton meters. So I generally tend to follow what my snap-on scanner says. I tighten it up to 18.6, and you know, anytime whenever you do it, if it feels like it's too tight or if it's gonna break or something like that, then just stop and don't go any further. The knock sensor does need to be torqued down fairly close to what it needs to be, but again, do your own research and come to your own conclusion about how much torque you actually need to put the knock sensor. But anyways, hope this video helped someone out today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me, like it, share it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching again, everyone.